No gym membership, no dumbbells, no excuse. Your body is the only equipment you actually need to build real muscle, burn fat, and completely change how you look. And most beginners overcomplicate this before they even start. Today, I'm giving you a full home workout plan built specifically for beginners, broken down day by day, so you know exactly what to do, when to do it, and why it works. No guessing. No wasted weeks. Section 1. Why bodyweight training actually works. Here's what most beginners get wrong. They think you need weights to build muscle. You don't. You need resistance, and gravity provides plenty of it when you're just starting out. Push-ups, squats, and lunges can build serious strength and size for months before your body even needs added weight. The key isn't the equipment, it's progressive overload, doing a little more than last time, whether that's more reps, slower tempo, or a harder variation. For a true beginner, bodyweight training isn't a compromise. It's the ideal starting point. Section 2, the weekly structure. Here's the full week built for beginners training at home. Day 1, push, chest, shoulders, triceps. Day 2, pull and core, back, biceps, abs. Day 3, rest or light walk. Day 4, legs, quads, glutes, hamstrings, calves. Day 5, full body circuit, everything, higher intensity. Day 6, rest or light walk. Day 7, rest. 5 training days, 2 rest days. This hits every major muscle group twice a week, the sweet spot for beginner muscle growth, without burning you out before week 2. Day 1, push day, warm up. 5 minutes. Arm circles, torso twists, 20 jumping jacks, shoulder rolls. Main circuit. 3 rounds, 12 to 15 reps each. 30 seconds rest between exercises. Push-ups, chest, shoulders, triceps. Regress to knee push-ups if needed. That's not cheating, that's correct progression. Pike push-ups, shoulders, hips high, head toward the floor. Tricep dips using a chair or step, back of the arms. Incline push-ups on a couch or stair. Targets the lower chest differently. Cool down, chest doorway stretch, shoulder stretch, 2 minutes deep breathing. Day 2, pull and core day. Pull exercises are harder without equipment, but not impossible. Main circuit, 3 rounds, 12 to 15 reps each. Towel rows, loop a towel around a sturdy door handle or banister. Lean back, pull yourself in. Builds the back without a single dumbbell. Superman holds, lying face down, lift chest and legs together. Hold 2 seconds. Lower back and posterior chain. Plank, 30 to 45 second hold, core braced, hips level, bicycle crunches, 20 reps, controlled, not rushed, obliques, and abs. If you have a sturdy pull-up bar or door frame attachment, even assisted pull-ups here dramatically speed up back development, worth the small investment if you're serious. Day 4, leg day. Legs are half your muscle mass. Don't skip this day. It's the one beginners avoid most, and the one that changes your whole physique fastest. Main circuit, 3 rounds, 15 to 20 reps each. Bodyweight squats, chest up, knees tracking over toes, full depth. Reverse lunges, alternating legs, controlled descent, glute bridges, squeeze at the top, 2-second hold. Calf raises, off a stair edge for full range of motion. Once these feel easy, add a backpack loaded with books for extra resistance, the cheapest weighted vest you'll ever own. Day 5, full body circuit. This is the highest intensity day of the week. A metabolic finisher that burns fat while reinforcing everything trained earlier. 4 rounds, 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Burpees, mountain climbers, jump squats, push-ups, plank hold. This single circuit, done consistently, is often what separates people who just work out from people who actually transform. Full body engagement, elevated heart rate, real conditioning. Section 3, nutrition and recovery. Training builds the stimulus. Food and sleep build the muscle. Protein, roughly 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans, Greek yogurt. Don't undereat. Beginners often eat too little while training hard, which stalls both muscle gain and fat loss. A slight surplus builds muscle faster if that's your goal. A modest deficit burns fat while these workouts preserve strength. Sleep, 7 to 9 hours. This is when your muscles actually repair and grow, not during the workout itself. Rest days matter. Skipping them doesn't speed up progress. It slows it down by not letting muscle recover and rebuild stronger. That's the entire plan. 5 days a week, 0 equipment required to start, every major muscle group trained twice. You don't need a gym to build a strong, muscular body. You need consistency, a plan, and the discipline to follow it even on the days you don't feel like it. Start day 1 today. Your home is already a fully equipped gym, you just didn't know it yet.